हे एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज हम एक्सप्लोर करेंगे एक फैसिनेटिंग मिस्ट्री की। हु डिस्कवर्ड जीरो? वॉज इट द ब्रिलियंट आर्यभट्ट या फिर द इनक्रेडिबल ब्रह्मगुप्त? सो लेट्स डाइव into this epic clash of ancient Indian mathematicians. चलिए शुरू करते हैं। First, let us understand why is zero such a big deal? ये सिर्फ एक नंबर नहीं है. It is the foundation of modern mathematics, computers and even space exploration. लेकिन सदियों से ये लोग डिबेट करते आए हैं. Who deserves the credit? Two names always stand out, Aryabhatta and Brahmagupta. तो चलिए, let's meet these legends. Imagine this, 476 CE. आर्यभट्ट का जन्म होता है in what is now Bihar, India. This man was a genius, astronomer, mathematician और एक अद्भुत विद्वान. At just 23, he wrote Aryabhatiya, a text that amazed everyone. He calculated pi, explained Earth's rotation, and here's the exciting part, hinted at zero. Aryabhatta used a place value system. Matlab he knew a symbol could hold a position like in 10 or 100. But here is the twist. उन्होंने इसे ज़ीरो के रूप में क्लियरली डिफाइन नहीं किया. It was more of a placeholder. So did he discover zero? He is definitely a strong contender. Now let's move to 598 CE. ब्रह्मगुप्त का जन्म होता है in राजस्थान. This mathematician took things to another level in his book. Unlike आर्यभट्ट, ब्रह्मगुप्त ने जीरो को एक संख्या के रूप में स्पष्ट किया. He said a number minus itself equals zero. He even gave rules. Zero times any number is zero. Plus he worked on negative numbers. Truly revolutionary. तो क्या was he true pioneer of zero? The story is not yet over. So here's the big question. जीरो का वास्तविक खोजकर्ता कौन था? Aryabhatta's supporters say he laid the foundation. His place value system was a game changer. जीरो का विचार उसके बिना पॉसिबल नहीं था. बट ब्रह्मगुप्ता के समर्थक आर्ग्यू करते हैं he made it official. रूल्स बनाए और जीरो को प्रैक्टिकल बनाया. And here is a fun fact. Some historians believe zero का आइडिया इन दोनों से पहले भी था, maybe in Vedic texts. लेकिन आर्यभट्ट and ब्रह्मगुप्त made it world famous. By the 9th century, zero traveled from India to the Arab world, then Europe, और सब कुछ बदल दिया. Today, our number system, the digital age, ये सब इन दोनों के योगदान से हैं. आर्यभट्टा sparked the idea और ब्रह्मगुप्त perfected it. Maybe it's not about who wins, but how they both shaped history. So what do you think? Team Aryabhatta या Team Brahmagupta? If you enjoyed this journey through history, please like and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. तब तक keep exploring.